How to hide all posts on Facebook at once. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can hide your all posts on Facebook at once. So before get started, if you are new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first open your Facebook app, and then on the top right corner or bottom right corner you will see a navigation option or menu option. Just click on that. After that, go to settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now scroll down and go bottom. Now under your activity section you will see activity log. Just click on that. Now click on public post. Now here you will see filter option. You can filter out by category, date or audience. Like if you want to filter out by category, just click on category and then you can choose your category. So let's go back and then click on all. Now your all post will be selected. After that, on the bottom right corner click on three dot icon. Now on the bottom click on change audience. Again click on change audience. Now here you will be able to change your audience. Like you want to make the post only me, just select that and then click on change, and there you go. And that's how you can hide all posts on Facebook at once. Hope that this video helped you. If you found this video help you, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.